I try to talk on this POV. That's why I'm quiet. I'll talk for y'all though. Got the little head, got the head mount. Had to go caught that. Okay. E-way, the highway, my way or the highway, my way or the highway. Woo! Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. My way or the highway, oh boy, oh whoa. It better be a 300S, boy. You playing with a motherfucker, I'ma shit on that motherfucker, oh. You in the fast lane. Drive, bro. I'm gonna get on your ass. Oh my Jesus. Oh my gee whiz, bro. Oh my God. Oh, they driving like me. He's smoking a fat ass cigarette, bro. Ma'am got that fat ass GMC truck. I've been seeing GMCs all day. What the fuck? Y'all gonna make me act a ass cause y'all don't wanna drive y'all cars. That's what they meant for, to drive. That's what they meant for, the drive. Y'all don't want to do that. I'm gonna make you drive though. That shit. Is that stash? Oh fuck! I done missed my exit. Be a real driver, bro. I almost missed that motherfucker, but I didn't. Hey, get the fuck out of the way. Got a hybrid Jeep. Are you serious, bro? Let me go first. That's the only reason I did that. Let me go in front of you. You know you're not going to drive, so why make other people drive like you? But me, I'ma shit on you every time. Oh, I need some air in this tire, bro. I'ma shit on you every time, motherfucker. Ooh. start that shit, man. Let me start that shit, man. Oh my God, she lost as hell. Nissan. I wanted an SUV like that one time, but I need power, bro. I can't. Don't look at me. Oh, they say home is what a heart is, motherfuckers. Home is what a heart is. Slow down. Oh, we'll talk about slow down, boy. Slow down, boy. Oh, boy, I thought that fat ass truck was going straight. I got scared as fuck. I looked at 1 second, I look up, that bitch going straight. I said, oh, fuck. That shit scared the fuck out of, oh my Jesus. Oh, you ain't stopping, don't stop. You ain't stopping, I'm not gonna stop. Oh my God. Hey, them Hondas don't give a fuck about nothing on the streets, bro. Them motherfuckers will see the yellow light from miles away and still fly through that bitch. Like, hey, he didn't stop, I ain't gonna stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop, bad boy. How to upgrade? See, once you start braking and shit for no reason, oh, you turning. Get over there and turn. Oh shit, we got a G. We got a GT. He ain't gonna drive that bitch. It might be a female in there. They ain't gonna drive that motherfucker. They scary. I'ma fuck his ass up. Oh, they turned it anyway. Okay. What this is, a Chevy in front of me? Motherfucking Chevy. Chevy. That's an Impala. Chevy Impala. That should sound Italian. Chevy Impala. Chevy Impala. That's a. They got a small V6. They don't want you to know it's a V6. They want you to know that it's just a Chevy Impala. That is just a Chevy Impala. Chevy Impala going too slow for me, baby. Oh. Chevy Impala. Chevy Impala. Impala ta 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 ta. I wish I had some people around I can fuck over, man. Fuck. Okay, calm down before I blow the engine on this motherfucker. Oh. Slow down. I know he was not trying to keep up in that shit. They always trying to test me, bro. Oh, fuck. Stop it. They say stop it, Joshua. They say stop it, my friend. They say stop it, my friend. They say stop it, my friend. What the fuck, they got a snake? Oh, stop it, my friend. They put, bro, I'm not even gonna tell y'all what the fuck I just saw, bro. I'm home. Fuck it. Let's go, my friend. Oh, that's the end of this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed that little POV shit, man. I got my head mount. This shit is lit as fuck, bro. Y'all see my steering? This shit stiff as fuck. I need to fix this shit. My horn don't even work. This shit is... I'm out, bro.
I've been on a mission. Ain't wasting no time. Baby, you gon' ride it, you gon' die, tell me now. And then I messed up the mission when my auntie had to fly. Yeah, I wanted you to be at the graduation.